Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a Backdraft Cobra with Roush power under the hood. 427 stroker, R model. You're gonna love it. This thing is fast as greased lightning. And you know what? We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, look at that Roush power. We're gonna get outside and drive it. We're gonna have a blast with this car. So check out our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now we're gonna fire it up for you right now. So check out this beautiful Backdraft, man. These cars are amazing. Now these cars are actually built in a factory in South Africa. They build the bodies, they paint them, they do the suspension, the whole 9 yards. Then they slip the drivetrain in here when it hits the States. Now the paint work on it is phenomenal. This black paint, look at those reflections, man, looking great. And I love the rivets in the hood, just like the race cars. And there you go, guys. Look at that. We'll take a look at that in a minute, man. Great looking, it's got the real knockoffs on it, stainless steel side pipes. It's even got Jack Roush here on the side, isn't that cool? Now check out the interior in this beauty. Those seats are plush and looking great. We got 4-point harnesses on it. We've got our 5-speed shifter there in the center. Great upholstery everywhere in the car. The carpeting looks good. You've got your battery shut off right there in the center console. All the gauges you need there on the dash, and that is a padded dash, looking good. We got the wood steering wheel. I'll tell you what, these cars are a blast to drive. And of course, Backdraft, one of the top models. Inside the trunk here, plenty of room in there for a few lawn chairs, maybe a small set of clubs. You're gonna have a blast when we park this dream in your drive. It's got the Cobra fuel fill there, just like they all have. Look down the side of this thing. That paint is slick as can be. Those side pipes looking beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. So we own this Cobra. We spend the time and check them out before we buy them. Then when they get back here to the shop, we go through them so we can answer any questions you have. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you all you want to know about this little Backdraft Cobra. Now you know what, we've got about 240 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. Now I'm involved in buying every one of them here at Vanguard, and we're buying between 45 and 50 units a month. So what that means to you is you're getting my expert help helping you pick out your dream car. All right, it's Backdraft time. I don't need to say anymore. This Backdraft is amazing, guys. And we can park this thing in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. That Roush motor's making a bunch of horsepower. I would just barely touch an accelerator on this thing. It is a rocket ship, guys. What a blast to drive. Trans feels great. Clutch feels great. Got plenty of room for your feet. They do a real nice job of building these cars. I tell you what, one of the most comfortable Cobras out there. Got plenty of room right here for your hand. The steering wheel, a lot of them, the steering wheel's real close to this door. Look at that, plenty of room. Going straight down the road with no hands on the wheel. And if you don't want to be obnoxious with the exhaust, just keep it in a little bit higher gear, keep the RPMs down. You can keep that noise down. But if you want to make noise, just get in the accelerator a little bit and she will make some noise. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this Cobra anywhere in the world. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. no matter where you live in the world. And if you want some help with financing, we can help you out with that too. We got about 3 bankers we work with on the financing. We'd love to have you come on out and check it out in person. We're real close to the airport. Now, most of our customers buy sight unseen, but please come on in. We encourage you to check out the inventory in person. We love to have our customers come out. We're even open on Saturdays if you'd like to drive in. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming. We do have 80,000 square feet and over 240 cars in stock. So we may have your favorite car in the back. So it may take a minute to dig it out. So if you can let us know you're coming in, we can have your favorite car waiting for you, ready to go see, take it for a ride, we'll get it up on the lift, whatever you want to do. If you want to send an inspector, no problem there either. Let's listen to this baby again. Okay, that was about a 1/3 throttle. Not even close to full throttle. Just an amazing ride. This thing is a rocket ship, guys. So where was I at? Oh yeah, come see us. We'll park a stream in your drive. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the rack so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that Roush power. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Cobra investment. Now we're coming up on our building right now. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We are going to get it up in the air for you right now, right after we make a little noise. All right, we're underneath this backdraft and it's just as pretty underneath. You see that gas tank looking great. Everything under here is nice and clean. Now it does have the BMW independent rear suspension in here, right around a 350 gear in the rear end here. It is posi. The frame is beautiful. Everything is super clean under here. All the wiring looks good. All the piping looks awesome. The side pipes are looking good. The mounting brackets look great. We got a TKO600 explosion-proof bell housing here. It does have, looks like, it does have a hydraulic clutch on it. That pan, man, that's got a beautiful paint job. That almost looks like a powder coat. Of course, 4-wheel disc brakes, the BMW front suspension, it does have manual steering, aluminum radiator, electric fan, everything under here is looking great. Of course, struts up front, making the suspension work. Everything under here is beautiful. Even the nose is nice and clean here. It does look like it was touched up at one time, but it's in beautiful shape. And we got some tie down hooks here too. So if you want to put it up on the trailer, you can tie it down. Now let's look at wheels and tires. All right, we got the real knockoff wheels here, which are very cool, GT40 style. 245/40 18s up front, and there's those stainless headers where all the music's coming out. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, we got a lot more tire on the ground. 295/40 18s back here, and right there is where the music's coming out. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, man, we got plenty of power. 550 horsepower, a Roush power. It's got a dart block in it. It's a 351 base motor that has been stroked and bored out to 427. Of course, it's got all the Roush tricks on it. It's got Roush aluminum heads. It's got an Edelbrock intake on it. It's got a 750 Holley with vacuum secondaries. It's a dual feed. Looks like an MSD distributor with some really good looking Roush wires. The alternator's polished up, the water punch polished up, all the pulleys are polished up, the overflow tank's polished up. It does have manual steering, but it does have power brakes. The car is amazing, guys. Backdraft is one of the highest quality Cobras out there. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this Backdraft in your driveway.